What is the fear about?
Yes.
What is the tell us all. Tell us all. Yeah.
Yes. You rightly asked me. That's a very pertinent question, and Mr. Sohail is also right about it. That why he doesn't come to India, why he is not facing so. Please see, the first fear is that there are a couple of directors. There is one director in Mehul Choksi's company. He was told by CBI, he was abroad, that you come over, we want to only interrogate you, and even if we arrest you, we will not oppose your bail. He is in custody for last 3 years. In coal scam, CBI did not arrest anyone. And he's a small man. The way when his children look at me, I'm not able to get him bail. I feel there is some impotence in my advocacy that I'm not able to face the children. When he was to return from abroad, he called me. He sought my advice. I said, okay, you come over, even if they arrest you, you will get bail in 60-65 days, because they have made managing director of Punjab National Bank an accused, and they have chosen not to arrest her. And she comes to the court and she walks out. So I said that you are also a director and you are not as powerful as the MD of the Punjab National Bank or the directors of the Punjab National Bank. So please, here there is no equality, so to say. So they do not.
So I think you're making things up. No, Mr. Agarwal, Gaurav Bhatia wants to counter you. Something's not adding.
I will request that Gaurav Bhatia counters me once I make my point. And of course, he's a formidable lawyer and a great lawyer, and of course he will counter me, I'm sure. But the only thing is the only thing is that here the person is not getting bail for 3 years, and in the everyone there are people who get bail. There are people who don't get bail. Now please see, Mr. Chidambaram got bail, rightly so, in 60-65 days, but there is one poor director, he is languishing in jail for 3 years. So this is one fear. Second is that the company got closed within such a span of time and everything is seized. So when he comes here, he has to engage lawyers, he has to do things, and his health is also not permitting. And now one cannot say...
No, Vijay Agarwal, you are. No, Vijay Agarwal, before you get into full flow, you have to understand, you are a good lawyer. But the problem with good lawyers is sometimes they lose logic. You have law, but law has to be based on reason. And let me tell you why you are being unreasonable tonight. You are being unreasonable because the poor Mr. Mehul Choksi, the dear Mr. Mehul Choksi, the innocent Mr. Mehul Choksi, the fearful Mr. Mehul Choksi is saying, I have debt. I have no money. My debt is mentioned as 9,872 crore. But in the interview, he says, I moved to Antigua to start a business. In an affidavit filed by a Bhavnagar-based jeweler in the Gujarat High Court, his debt is mentioned as 9,872 crores. Which version of Mehul Choksi do we believe? You see, how can he claim that the reason of moving to Antigua was nothing else but my traveling was very heavy and I couldn't wait for visas, when the escape was perfectly timed to weeks before the PNB scam broke out in January 2018? The fact is, your client is not an innocent man.
See, the moment a person engages me, he turns innocent. And it is my job to prove him innocent, and I do that. And please, on your channel, please hear me. Just with the same thing on your channel, you said in 2G scam, everyone is a criminal. And even now, at times, it is quoted in 2G scam happened. Everyone has been honorably acquitted. Same thing was said about Tarun Tejpal. Same was said in the Arushi case. So please see, and you know, you do not let me complete, and you hear. So this is it. When you are in the chair and when you are running the show, that time you also lose patience. You know, I don't. Before I lose logic, you lose patience. Now, but you do not permit a person to make a point.
You
jump in between.
No, I don't lose patience.
You feel that you've been able to understand what I was going to say in my
Vijay,
but you are running the show. You run the show. I speak.
Vijay, I didn't want to. You know what, Vijay? Let me make a confession. Please. I wanted to be a lawyer. I would have loved to spar with you in a court instead. It's a circle of events in life that you are fighting on television.